by itself there to give us a solo display, and the other three climbing slowly to the south to hold up for a short time.
So they'll be handling characteristics of the solo display by the Harvard aeroplane that was part of the Empire training scheme many years ago. Learned to fly during the Empire training scheme in this aircraft. A significant contribution to the Australian training system.
One of the most common questions that I used to get when I was in the Rawlettes is, how do we make this smoke? And these guys